Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're solving important circuit problem. We have a circuit where a 4 ohm and a 6 ohm resistor are connected in parallel. The total current entering the branch is 1.2 amps. We need to calculate the current flowing through the 6 ohm resistor. How do we solve this? Let's break it down, step by step. First, let's find the equivalent resistance of these two resistors in parallel. We use the formula. Solving that, we get the equivalent resistance as 2.4 ohms. It means these two resistors can be replaced by a single resistor of 2.4 ohms. Second, we apply Ohm's law to find the voltage across the 2.4 ohm resistor. We get the answer as 2.88 volts across the resistor. It means, because the 4 ohm and 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel, both of them have 2.88 volts across them. Finally, we apply Ohm's law again for the 6 ohm resistor. Current equals voltage divided by resistance. Substituting the values, 2.88 divided by 6, we get 0.48 amperes. So, the current through the 6 ohm resistor is 0.48 amperes.